everyone, this is the girl of the firm. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. So today, as you can tell, we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial, and this is the look I am going to be showing you guys how to achieve with some Maybelline products that I'm going to be trying out today. And we are going to be giving away some Maybelline products, so if you want to see the rest of this video and how I achieve this face, and you also want to enter the giveaway, stay tuned. Okay, so step number one, we are going to be using this Maybelline Master Prime Illuminating Primer with Micro Pros. Here we go. Here we go, nice and pretty. Oh. I'm not gonna lie guys, I applied some before I started shooting because I just wanted to see how it looks, so I'm not gonna be applying a lot right now. Oh, I wonder how it looks on camera. We are going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Eraser Concealer with Goji Berry and Halo something. Here we go, that's what it looks like. And it's in the shade, let me see, what shade is this? 1110. So yes, I used it before, but that's because I wanted to check which one fit my, which one was my shade and which one I should give away, because I got quite a few. But yeah. Now, yeah, it has really good coverage. Okay, the Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Erasing Concealer has really good what do you call this, coverage. This is really, yeah. 2 thumbs up. I like this one. Now we are going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 335. Here it is. And then let's see how that looks. But it's probably going to look good because, the concealer did a lot of the job. A lot of the work, I mean. Guys, I'm so sick, yo. Now I am going to be showing you how I achieved this eye makeup look. I did it off camera because I just wanted to really kind of I guess see what works with this palette, and I really love this palette, guys. I will show you as I go along in this redo what's going on. So first we are going to be using the shade right here on the top. It's kind of like orangey. We're going to put it all over the lid. Let me swatch it for you. There we are. It's nice, eh? And very creamy. It applies so creamy. Right all over the lid. Oh, sorry. I forgot to show you. The palette that I'm using is the Maybelline Countdown palette, and this is kind of like a New Year's Eve inspired palette. It has a lot of glitter, a lot of creamy kind of, like, the colors pop, and I think that's the point, because at night, New Year's Eve, haboniselo. So okay, yeah, let me not pretend like I know what we're doing here and just do my makeup. So the second step is to go in with this shade over here. Let me swatch it for you quickly, and we are going to be using it from the inside to kind of, I'll show you. I don't know makeup terms, guys, please. Just watch, okay? Check this out. It's this shade here. Yar. And then, like I said, we are gonna go from the inside right there. Can you see that? From the inside to almost the outer part. Now we're going to be using the brown. Like I said, it's this brown over here. On the outer corner right there. Then work it in a little bit. We are going to go in again with the second shade we used, the second one from the top. And yeah. I went underneath the eye with this shade, the first shade, and the brown shade. So we are going to first start with the first shade. I'm really into like doing the lash king, lash line. I think lash line these days. It just makes so much of a difference. And then the brown. And the last part of this eye is the inner corner highlight. We are going to be using this gold over here. And again, super creamy. Oh, I love this palette. It applies super creamy here. And yeah, our eye is done. Now we just have to apply my, oh, wait a minute. Ouch, that hurt. So yeah, our eye by the Countdown palette. Next time, oh, my bad, pink. So now we are going to be using, oh, yeah, I'm a mess today, guys. I'm a mess, but it's because I'm sick. I'm sick, as you can hear. I'm sure you guys have figured it out. We are going to be using this Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express. And then this is what it looks like. Now we are going to apply our blush, but because I don't have any Maybelline blush, I will be using L'Oreal Paris Le Blush in the shade Golden Amber. shade 200. Here we go. Play blush. Now that we are done with our blush, we are going to go into our second last step, I think. Yeah, second last step, because the last step is going to be our lips. But now we are going to go into highlighting, and I am so excited to try this because, I mean, come on now, Master Chrome, who hasn't heard about this? Maybelline Master Chrome. Yeah, in the shade Gold. Molten Gold. In the shade Molten Gold. So let's try this Master Chrome. Let's see. But I'm so excited, obviously, because, you know, who hasn't heard about Master Chrome? Master Chrome. So now we're going to apply. Should I swatch or apply first? Let me swatch. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, let's do this. Ooh. Yes, that's the Chrome. Ooh. Ooh. Yes, Master Chrome, yeah. This highlighter is amazing. A little bit over there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hey! Yes. And this kind of like dials back down all the like highlight and makes it kind of look like a glow, not like a highlight. Ah! Guys. Okay. To be doing our lips, and today I am going to be using Maybelline Superstay ink crayons. This is what one looks like, and I have a couple because I want to swatch for you guys. Let's see. Oh, there we go. So this ink crayon is in the shade, where's the shade? Oh, Lead the Way. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's Lead the Way. And oh my god, these smell amazing. Yo. Okay. This one is Enjoy the View. Enjoy the View. Also, oh yeah, okay, I get it now. It's yeah, they smell good. And then this one is, and they're so like creamy and buttery. Yeah, this is yummy. This is Live on the Edge. Live on the Edge. And this one is Stay Exceptional. I like that. Let's see. And this one is kind of like, I don't know, a pink, I guess. A pink kind of shade. This one is in the shade Trust Your Gut. Let me show you. I've been wearing this one, I'm not gonna lie. I love it. But let me swatch it for you over here. So yeah, these are the Maybelline Superstay ink crayons. They smell like vanilla. Yeah, I think. Vanilla. But yes, they smell amazing. They have like a nice buttery kind of consistency. They're not matte. So yeah, so let's do a lip liner and then go in with one of the ink crayons. I am going to be using my Essence long lasting eye pencil in the shade Hot Chocolate. And we are going to go in with Trust Your Gut. Okay, trust your gut. What are we gonna do? It smells so good. Yeah. I wish I could eat it. And that is it for today's tutorial, guys. I hope you like it. I really love it. Don't ask me what happened to the setting spray stage because I forgot my setting spray somewhere. So today you are gonna get a beat with no setting spray. Marilena, go high, use setting spray, okay? Just yeah, and it'll look so much better. Yeah, but like I said, it is giveaway October, and we have to this is our first giveaway for giveaway October, and I am going to be giving away some Maybelline products. First, we have some Fit Me foundation. I will put all the shades in the description, but we have 365, we have shade 365, 364 and 365. We have shade 332. This one is lighter than mine. We have shade 358, and we have this Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid. It's a liquid highlighter that's gonna be in the giveaway. We have Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. We have Diamond Glow by Eye Studio. It's a palette, but you see these shades, it's funny because these are kind of the shades I use for today's look, except the first shade, that kind of like orangey corally color, it's not here. But I'm sure if you could use these shades, guys, you could, yeah. But anyway, and then we have some ink crayons. Now, as you've noticed in the tutorial, I only swatched the nude kind of shades, the nudes and browns and the light pinks and stuff. That is because I wanted to give the rest of these ones away. We have Settle for More. We like that. Everyone has to settle for more. We like and we have Accept a Dare. That's kind of like pinkish. This one's kind of like, I don't know, brownish maroon, whatever that is. We have Forget the Rules, purple plum shade. We have Laugh Louder, ha 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 ha. This is orange shade right here. And we have Hustle and Heels. Yes. So that is going to be our giveaway. I am going to be giving away these Maybelline products. All you have to do is like this video, comment on one of the shades, the ink crayon shades, and be subscribed to my channel, and just like that you can win the first giveaway for giveaway October. So yeah, look out for my next giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am gonna be out. I will see you again on the next video, so let me go and nurse my flu, and yeah, bye guys.